There appears to be another technical snag. This is an Indigo flight diverted to Delhi. In the past few days, we've seen whether it's about high alertness with regard to our air measures aircraft. This is now, remember, when several of these incidents have come to the fore, that there have been flights that are getting diverted or with emergency landing or even getting cancelled. 6E5118 diverted to Delhi due to a minor technical snag is what appears to be the Indigo statement. I quote from it, as a precautionary step, the pilots decided to turn back, landed safely at IGI. This is the Indigo spokesperson that I'm quoting right now. A minor technical snag was detected soon after takeoff on flight 6E5118 operating from Delhi to Imphal on 17 July 2025. As a precautionary step, pilots decided to turn around and landed back safely at Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. There have been mandatory procedures. The aircraft underwent necessary checks and the journey was resumed shortly thereafter. Inconvenience caused to the passengers is regretted. Safety and security of the customers, crew and aircraft remain utmost importance to us. Amit Bhardwaj for the latest on that. Amit, this is, I don't want to sound alarming, but this is scary because too many aircrafts are reporting this. I just hope it's about a high alertness after the Air India crash that every airline is following now.
That's the case, Pooja, as well. You know, if in this statement, if you would go through, the Indigo is saying that this was minor technical snag, but the pilot decided to come back to the base. That is the Delhi IGI airport. And what we are given to understand that at the IGI airport, a thorough investigation of the craft was carried out. After which, only after the clearance, the flight re-prepared itself in order to resume the journey. So we had also spoken to the passenger on board. He had also said the announcement was made, and in the mid-air, the craft was diverted back to Delhi IGI airport, and the passengers have resumed their journey. So if you go by the details, it was around 10:30 in the morning. The craft took off from Delhi airport. It was headed to Imphal. But in the mid-air, the pilot realized there was some issue with the craft. He decided to turn back to the base, that is Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport. Upon landing, which is a safe landing, once again, which has been reiterated by Indigo, the thorough check and inspection of the craft has been done. So we can certainly say this is due to the heightened safety regime that we have in the wake of the AI-171 crash. Back to you.